There's nothing like chilling with my girls. Just me and my divas taking over the world. Divas. Hey, divas. Let me tell you now, D-I-V-A-S.
Hey y'all, hey, it's your girl A. What's up, everybody? What's up, divas? What's up, divos? What's up, everybody? YouTube fam, welcome back. Welcome back. It's your girl A, and we are definitely about to slay, okay? So if y'all are new to this channel, welcome. I hope you all are having like a amazing day today. Y'all already know what time it is. This is the best of 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 the best. Say less. This is the best of the best of the best of the best of the best. Myfirstwig, y'all. So listen, there is no competition with them. Myfirstwig's RPG show, they are #1 top tier in this lace wig game. Now, if y'all don't know about their new 10x6 lace front wigs, girl, check them out. They come with combs, they come with drawstrings, they come with sculpted ears, girl. They come with everything. This is the new 10x6 lace wig. This is their new cap. It is molded to fit your head. So once you put this on, baby, you will not need any type of glue, adhesive, or hairspray, or whatever you like to put on. You don't need that. But if you do like to put that, because you know you're stuck in your ways like me, then go ahead and use it. Now, this unit is a 10x6, which means you get 10 inches across and 6 inches going back. So, girl, that's plenty of parting space. Plus, it is sculpted for the ears, so that way you may not need to cut any of the lace off. It will definitely fit properly. But also, if you love the extra security, it also comes with one of their drawstrings. Definitely bulk free and will feel very comfortable at the nape of your neck. Girl, when I tell you that they fit nice and snug, they definitely fit nice and snug. Now, this one is 18 inches because, you know, 18 inches to Myfirstwigs is more or less like 20, 22 inches. They definitely give you more than what you asked for. And now, this is a 130% unit. It is pre-plucked and pre-cut and pre-bleached for you. The only thing you need to do is style it if you do like some curls. Now, this is only 130% in density. Now, y'all know your girl love fullness. I like 150, 180, 200, girl, that's me. Because I always say, if you're going to wear a wig, girl, do it big. This is 130% density. You could definitely get this in 150 or more if you choose to. But it's also pre-cut for you. And it's also pre-bleached and pre-thinned out. So this is what 130% density looks like. While I get ready to get this situated, I'm going to show you guys how your unit comes from Myfirstwigs.
I've been trying my best not to think about you, but you're stuck in my mind. I've been hypnotized by you. Hey, all the suffering and pain got me feeling so blue. Cause when it was us, I was never enough. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. I've been worrying about my mental health, cause when I'm alone, I keep checking my phone, yeah. Seeing all these people, having someone to lean on, while I don't. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah. thinking I was messed up, pushing me down instead of pulling me up. So tell me what I'm supposed to do just to be alright. Girl, you got me thinking I was messed up, yeah.
It's not that I don't care. Need to shut down to keep you out of my mind. It's strange to be here alone, yeah. A place that we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us, I just want it to stop. Because I miss you so much, I miss the way we touch, and I need to make it stop. But I still think about it all the time. It won't stop until it's over, over. But I still think about it all the time. It's never over till it's over, over. There is no us no more. No, I'm grasping at straws, trying to save myself. Don't wanna be here alone. No, no. A place we used to go all the time. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, don't come back. I need to do this alone, so just stop calling me up. Just realize that we're done, I won't come back. I have dreams about us.
So guys, so this is the finished look. Let me tell you about this unit. First of all, the hair is very silky, very straight. So if you love bone straight hair, then this definitely may be the option for you. Now for one, with this unit, I would highly suggest curling it and then pin curling it overnight so that the curls stay. This unit, it is very natural looking. It does look very realistic. And y'all already seen, I had to bring out my old school Plump It Up. Now, I didn't have to, but I wanted to because I'm really not into trying to buy any new hairspray. If I have a huge collection of products that I love, and this is one of them, I haven't used this in years, but girl, let me tell you, the melt is real with this. Like, this unit is tacked down. Plump It Up instantly freezes. Plump It Up will definitely leave your hair styled. It will definitely leave your wig on for like days, okay? Anyway, other than that, the hair is silky straight. It's 18 inches. It's 130% in density. If you like something that's everyday, natural, average, then this is definitely for you. Now, I did cut some layering into this just to give it a little bit more volume. Now, this is 18 inches. On any other website, 18 inches is more or less like right here. So for the most part, y'all already know this wig fits good. Do y'all see the lace? It is lacing. It is doing what it's supposed to do. My first wigs always be coming through. This natural hairline is definitely giving. No baby hair is needed. Girl, let me tell y'all, I'll get you some of this Pump It Up and you will be definitely good to go. Y'all already know it's the best of the best of the best of the best of the best with my first wigs. Say less, girl, okay? Definitely something that you could just put on and go. Pre-cut, pre-style, pre-plucked, pre-bleached. Girl, I don't even know what else to say, but I love y'all. Check the information description box below. I gotta go. I will definitely see y'all in the next one.
Yeah, so I can focus. I just need to focus. this